Hello, my name's Max Slow, and I've written and illustrated a new book called Beep Beep with Otter-Barry Books. It's coming out on the 5th of August, and I'm going to read just a little extract from it, just a few pages, just to give you a kind of teaser. So, beep beep. What's that noise? It's Big Bobby the bus driver driving his big yellow bus. It really does run on time. Get it? Nino, Nino. What's that noise? It's Friendly Fern's fantastic fire engine coming to the rescue again. And one more page. Let's go for this one. What's that noise? It's Captain Cool sailing a stupendous ship across the sea. Her ship is so big, it won't all fit on this page. So yeah, and then, carry on reading for a surprise ending. Something hopefully a bit unexpected. But yeah, hope you enjoy the book. Thanks a lot, Max.